Hello everyone, my name is Vasvi from Truweight. Today in this video session, I have Mr. Gautam Satpathy with us. Hello, Mr. Gautam Satpathy.
Hi, Vasvi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Well, very nice, very nice.
You're looking great
Look
today.
forward to this. Thank you. So are you.
Thank you. So, Mr. Gautam Satpathy, I would I really want you to introduce yourself to our viewers who are watching us today.
Mhm. Sure. So, my name is Gautam Satpathy. I am almost 50, 49 recently, actually. I'm an engineer, IIT Kharagpur, a software engineer. I've been working in the software industry for something like 26 years now. So I'm at that stage where I'm wondering what to do next other than lose weight.
That's great. So now I just want to know that you've been enrolled with us for 5 months and you had a tremendous. I mean, your weight loss was an inspiration for a lot of us. So can you just tell about True Weight journey? How was it for you, and what is the most what is something you really liked about True Weight?
Right. So let me, when I'm talking about weight loss, this is something that I have sort of struggled with all my life. Okay. And till I got to true weight, I have never had much success. I reached a stage where I was like, you know, I'm fine the way I am. All those people who want to be thin, well, they are no good, right? So I'm fine. But then I don't know how this happened, but I was I was I was on YouTube and I clicked a video that I wanted to watch and popped this Truweight advertisement. And contrary to my normal practice, I normally wait for those 5 seconds to be over so I can say skip. I watched this one through. I don't know why. Something about Megha, I think it was a Megha video, something about what was being spoken about sort of clicked with me. And I watched the whole video through. And instead of watching my original video, I actually clicked through and signed up. And that is how it started. And it so happened that this happened just before our COVID lockdown. So there was a slight delay before I could really get started on this program. But I'm actually very happy that I found True Weight, and my journey so far has been phenomenal. Phenomenal. Okay, so I have loved the program, and this is not the first time that I've tried to lose weight and be healthy. And frankly, this has been, it has been a fabulous journey, but it has also been a great learning experience for me. You know what has sort of happened, and this is what I love about this, is that not only am I losing weight, I know I'm going to lose weight. I've lost a lot of weight, but I'm not yet at my target. I know I'm going to get there. That is the difference, because I think it is not just about the fact that the program works, but you see, my body and we were strangers for 49 years, right? I'm 49. So I did not know what my body was telling me, but now I'm beginning to understand. Okay, and that is thanks to what I have learned through this program. So I know that, oh, I'm hungry. Okay. Earlier it was like I go randomly and have something to eat, or I'm not drinking water enough. I just didn't know. Now I do. All thanks to you guys. I'm sorry
That's
I
really
can't be.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So that's the reason when I've asked you, did you had your lunch? You said I'm very pro about it. I like sharp it on time. I'm having my lunch, and you're trying to have your meals on time, which is the best thing. I think that is one of the achievement. And I feel habits matters a lot. You need to develop good
Yes.
habits to lead a healthy life. So tell us something about the Truweight app which you have been using. What is the best thing you liked about our Truweight app and how it helped you?
Well, many things. Number one, it is a holistic app, as apps go. So it is focused on what I need to do, and the tracking that I get. all the milestones that I have, and I'm doing it myself. So I am tracking. I know exactly where I am and
Yes.
what has happened in the past. Right.
Yes.
That is number one. Number two, the instructional videos, both by Vishnu, those by Megha, those are absolutely amazing. I really love them. Okay, and each one of them has been not only informative but in a lot of ways eye openers. And
Yeah.
said, oh, okay, I never thought about it like that. Well,
Okay.
okay, I learned something today. It's literally that I watch every video. It's not very long. I watch every video, and at the end of it, as Vishnu makes us do, put your hand on your heart and say like
Heart
Megha.
and pledge. I know.
Yeah, and take the pledge. And I've started using his phrase, is that good or good? Right.
Yeah.
So I used it with my wife today. So she was like, what are you talking about? I said, Vishnu. He said, okay, because
Oh,
I'm
really?
making her watch it too. So
That's
she's also
amazing.
watching that. So yeah, the
Wow.
other day she heard me switch on a Megha video. I think the last one was Megha. And she heard me because I had it on speaker. And she said,
Okay.
hey, wait, I'm coming. I said, okay, rewind.
No, they are
So
absolutely
it is
interesting.
those.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. They give a lot of knowledge. I think, I mean, the depth is so much that you feel like watching them again and again. This is like, as a
exactly.
nutritionist, I'm telling you this. This is a very useful. So, what was your favorite video so far? Which one was your favorite health tutorial video so far in the app?
That that is a tough one. All of them are absolutely great. The last one I watched, I think, was just this week. Pallavi, my nutritionist, is absolutely fabulous. And I think the last she got me on the forgotten
Oh,
thing,
okay,
and
okay.
yeah, forgotten foods phase. So in fact, I went and bought those cereals that I needed,
Yes,
and
yes.
we started on that. And so that is the one that my wife came running. I want to see. And
Mhm.
so that was good. The one that, one of the very initial ones about water, about sleep,
Yeah,
each one of them
exactly.
in
Yeah.
some way or the other was, they are different, they are informative, and they make me learn something, and they make me appreciate, what exactly is going on. And I think the most valuable, yeah, I'm losing weight. I know I will reach my target weight. Absolutely no problem. I love the foods that you guys have. But you know what I love best about the program?
Yeah.
I know for sure that today, I am not yet at the end of the program. I know you have more surprises for me because you keep stringing these surprises,
No.
pleasant ones, where I learn something new.
No.
But it's never I anticipate. When she said forgotten foods, I was like, okay, what is that? And I learned something, right? So it's a pleasant surprise.
Yeah.
So what I know today, those couple of months, 3 months, or whatever it is that I have been in the program, and what I do know is that I am learning, and I'm very confident that even after the program ends, I will be able to take these same learnings because they're becoming habits,
Yeah,
right? And I'm
right.
going to be able to retain that. So that
Yes.
to me is the gift of true weight.
Wow. Really
Yeah.
happy to hear this from you, Mr. Gautam Satpathy. So now tell us about your achievements in this 5 months. What all your big achievements? I mean, which you'll carry lifelong. I mean, you have been one of the best client who've been following the suggestions and guidance very honestly and with sincerity. So I think the whole credit also goes to you because your efforts matters a lot. End of the day. So tell us about your achievements. Something.
Well, as the first achievement, of course, we are talking about a weight loss program. So, of
Yeah.
course, I've lost a good amount of weight. I think, and it is not exact. Well, I signed up 5 months ago, but I've been active in the program only for about 3 months now. Okay, because because of the lockdown, Pallavi could not get me the material. The minute the lockdown sort of lifted slightly, she immediately shifted to me.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing is, even in that interim, after my detox program and the beginning of the real program, she was there holding my hand. I did not have access to all the the Truweight food,
Yeah.
superfoods,
Superfoods. Yeah.
but
Hmm.
she had us, my wife and I. She was walking us through. how to do this with the regular stuff that we regularly eat.
Yes.
So, she prepared charts for us, and that was fabulous. And that gave me the confidence that, I can do this. And the superfoods, yes, they are excellent, but I know how to do this now.
Wow.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it is over and above the weight loss. It's the knowledge gain, and as I said earlier, I was a stranger to my body. Right, we are friends now. Okay,
Yeah.
so
I think
okay, so
that's
I'm
the
beginning
biggest
to
achievement
understand that.
you, yeah, that's the biggest achievement for anyone. I mean, if we
Yeah.
understand our body, then nothing is much, like, that nothing more can be the happiest thing in our life. I think that everyone should be understanding their body, their own body.
Exactly. So and the good things that I have got out of this, way beyond, the weight loss to me is a very small thing today. It started out as the thing, but now I look back and I say that is one part of what I have received as a benefit from this program. You know, it takes me like 30 seconds to fall asleep these days, and
Wow.
I have a good night's sleep. I look back over my life and I was like, I used to toss and turn. Yeah, sometimes I used to go to sleep when I had a very tiring day, but now I just fall asleep.
Oh,
That is an achievement. I know
definitely it
exactly.
is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I have my energy levels are elevated. My children were saying, "Dad, you're growing so thin." I said,
Mhm.
"That's good. Because you're going to be weak." I said, "No, I'm not weak." So
Okay.
we live on the third floor. This is a old building in Mumbai. There is no lift. So coming up to the third floor, you have to walk up and down, right?
Yeah.
I
Yes.
used to I
Yes.
used to huff and puff. Now I don't
Okay.
feel it. I don't feel it. And another interesting thing that has happened, we have started noticing it recently. I was the person who used to feel the heat. Turn on
Oh.
the AC, turn on the fan.
Okay.
And these
Okay.
days my wife is saying it's hot. I said, it's hot. Okay. I don't feel it.
Okay. That's really nice. Really, thank you for telling about your achievements. They are really great. I think it will be staying with you for a long run, and I think you have developed a lot of good habits, and you have completely changed your lifestyle, which is the most important thing. So now there will be a lot of people who are watching us today and at the moment, or they must be looking for some weight loss solution. So what kind of a suggestion would you like to give it to them, to the YouTube viewers or anyone who's looking watching this today?
The, the number one thing I would say is trust your dietitian, trust the program, go in, suspend everything that you think just go in and listen and follow. Okay, you're going to learn. I did that, so I suspended my own. I know nothing. I'm a kindergarten student, teach me, so literally that is the best thing you can do. Now, coming to how to eat, well, they will hold your hand. Just like Pallavi, I really love interacting with her, and she's been absolutely fabulous. She has held my hand right through. Every time I had a question, she's right there to answer it. So trust the dietitian, trust the program. That is, I think, and just give yourself a good deal and follow the program.
Yes,
You
yes,
sign up
yes.
for it, you want to do this, just do it.
So that
That's it.
kickstart is very
They know their
important.
stuff.
Yeah, yeah. That one kickstart will help you a lot. So a lot of people are still in
Absolutely.
confusion whether should I do the weight loss or no, or should I follow the right way, or or will it take long time for me? So
It won't. I started seeing results almost immediately. A few weeks, after the initial detox program, the detox couple of weeks, I was feeling healthier, and that almost instantaneous in terms of I've spent so much time and energy and money on trying to lose weight and never been successful. So it was almost an instantaneous feedback cycle for me,
yes,
and
yeah.
that was great. I said, yeah, this works. Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. And it just kept going from there.
That's really
So that
nice. Yeah. So thank you so much, Mr. Gautam Satpathy. It was really, really, really nice interacting with you. You are so full of energy, and I feel it's
thanks
like
to Truweight.
That's really nice, and thank you joining with us and sharing your so many achievements and about the Truweight journey. I think it will help a lot of people who are watching this video today. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank
Thank you,
you.
thank you, thank you.
Thanks a
Take
lot.
care. Bye.
Bye.